Charot.
Dapat ganun. Para mas biglang tayo. Share and subscribe.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is M. And in today's video, I have a special guest. And we will be talking about nails. So, my special guest is...
Hello!
Okay. So, kasama ko si Franz ngayon because we will be showing you how to put on fake nails. How to put on fake nails. We'll just show you kung paano namin siya ginawa, kung paano siya sa bata, on how you prepare your nails before you put on fake nails. And we'll give you some tips as well. So, let's get on with the video. Let's get on with the video. Before anything else, we have to prep our nails. Remove any polish to make sure that the fake nails will adhere properly. Give your nails a quick manicure and trim so it's even. This helps maintain healthy nails and will avoid fake nails from falling off. Next is to buff your nails using a nail buffer to create a slightly rough surface which will make it easier for the fake nails to adhere. Then, using a cotton pad with a bit of rubbing alcohol, wipe off and remove any dust, dirt, or oil on your nails. Lay out your fake nails and make sure that each one fits comfortably over your real nail. You can also file the fake nails if needed.
Ganyan na. Yan yung ginagawa ni Mami. Yan ba yung ginagawa mo? Perfect.
Huwag ka naman kulit.
I'm so scared.
I highly suggest using a separate nail glue instead of the one included in the fake nail package because it won't last long. Here, we only use the one that came with the fake nails because I will be putting it on a kid's nail. But for us grown-ups who wants 2 weeks worth of beautiful nails, let's use the real thing. Now, dab the glue on your nails and also put some on the fake nails. Then carefully place the fake nail over your real nail and make sure that the bottom curve lines up perfectly with your cuticle. Press and hold for about 10 to 20 seconds. Ensure that there are no gaps and that the fake nails is set firmly against your real nail. Only use the right amount of glue as we don't want it squirting out all over the sides. But if it does squirt out, just use a Q-tip to gently wipe it away. If necessary, file the nail into your desired shape and length. Just use a regular nail file, but if you're good with its shape and length, then no need to file.
Focus. Mahirap sa camera pag
Ganun mo. Pagdidikitin mo.
Perfect.
So, Franz, anong masasabi mo dun sa fake nails?
Natatanggal siya. Pangit ng glue. Bili ka siya mas
Okay, guys. Tip. Gumamit kayo ng nail glue talaga. Do not use the one na kasama nung fake nails kasi hindi talaga siya effective. So, saglit pa lang. As in, wala pang isang oras yata. Medyo nagpo-fall off na siya. So, make sure to use the nail glue na separate, not the one in the package.
Yeah.
Ano pa? Nag-enjoy
Um,
ka naman dun sa ginawa natin.
Na-enjoy naman, pero ano siya, nakakatakot. Alam mo yun, pag nagsa-cellphone ka, feeling mo na matatanggalan ka.
Oo, 'di ba? Kasi hindi pa sanay. So, I think after one day, kapag nasanay ka na meron kang suot-suot nun, then hindi na siya magiging ganun ka nakakatakot. Sabi mo, hope you like the video.
Hope you like the video. Like and share and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind that
You are grateful.
there is always something to be grateful for. Really.
There is always something to be grateful for.
Thank you for watching. Bye.